Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that had a huge impact on the global stage, the post-9/11 economy. We're going to assess how the September 11 attacks and subsequent geopolitical shifts shaped the world markets and industries, with a keen focus on aviation, tourism, defense, and three other industries. Plus, we'll explore how these changes affected Europe and Asia. So let's get started. September 11, 2001 will forever be etched in our memories as a day of unthinkable tragedy. But beyond the devastating loss of life and the tremendous social impact, it also set in motion a chain of events that had far-reaching consequences for economies around the globe. Now let's talk about how the aviation industry took a major hit right after 9/11. People were terrified, and air travel demand plummeted overnight. The fear of more attacks and heightened security concerns led to a dramatic drop in passenger numbers. Airlines, both in the United States and overseas, were on the brink of bankruptcy, which caused significant job losses and financial instability. And you can imagine, the tourism industry got hit hard too. Travelers became wary, especially when it came to visiting foreign countries with perceived security risks. Popular tourist destinations that heavily relied on international visitors faced an uphill battle in regaining their appeal. In Europe, countries like France, Italy, and Spain saw a significant decline in tourism, impacting their local economies. Similarly, Asian countries such as Thailand and Indonesia, known for their beautiful attractions, experienced a drop in visitor numbers. But while some industries suffered, others experienced a surge. Defense spending skyrocketed as governments worldwide bolstered their security measures. This had a profound impact not only on military organizations, but also on defense contractors and related industries. The demand for innovative technologies and enhanced security capabilities soared. In Europe, countries like the United Kingdom, France, and Germany increased their defense investments to counter new threats. Meanwhile, in Asia, countries such as China and India also witnessed a significant boost in defense spending to strengthen their security postures. Now, let's talk finances. The global stock markets took a nosedive in the immediate aftermath of the attacks. Investor confidence was shaken, and uncertainty and fear gripped the financial world. It affected various industries and international trade. Governments and financial institutions stepped in to stabilize the markets and restore investor trust. In Europe, major financial centers like London and Frankfurt faced challenges as stock markets experienced volatility. Similarly, Asian economies like Japan and South Korea felt the impact as their stock markets experienced significant declines. The information technology IT sector also went through a roller coaster ride. On one hand, the focus on security led to a higher demand for cybersecurity measures and software development to combat evolving threats. On the other hand, the burst of the dot-com bubble in the early 2000s had already impacted the IT industry, and the 9/11 attacks compounded the slowdown in technology investments. In Europe, technology hubs like Silicon Valley in California and tech centers in London and Berlin had to adapt to changing market dynamics. In Asia, countries such as India and China continued their focus on IT development, but faced challenges due to global economic uncertainties. Let's not forget the energy sector, especially oil. Geopolitical shifts following the attacks created increased tensions in the Middle East, a region crucial for global oil supply. This volatility in the energy market had a direct impact on oil prices, which in turn affected various industries and economies worldwide. In Europe, countries heavily reliant on oil imports, such as Germany and Italy, had to navigate the economic challenges of fluctuating oil prices. Similarly, Asian economies like Japan and South Korea, which heavily depended on oil imports, had to manage the impact of rising energy costs. Lastly, the manufacturing sector faced its own set of challenges. Disrupted global supply chains and increased security measures posed obstacles for industries heavily reliant on international trade. Stricter regulations, customs procedures, and transportation hurdles impacted productivity and competitiveness. In Europe, countries like Germany and France, known for their manufacturing prowess, had to navigate these new obstacles. Similarly, Asian manufacturing powerhouses such as China and Japan had to adapt their supply chains and deal with changes in demand patterns. So as we look back on the post-9/11 economy, it's clear that the September 11 attacks had a profound impact on global markets and industries. It affected not just aviation, tourism, and defense, but also finance, information technology, energy, and manufacturing. And remember, these effects rippled across continents, leaving Europe and Asia grappling with their own unique challenges. Now, let's talk business opportunities. Amid all the turmoil, there were opportunities for retail investors to make strategic moves. Some investors capitalized on the recovery of the aviation and tourism industries by investing in rebounding airline stocks and travel companies. Others saw potential in the growth of cybersecurity and technology, leading to significant gains in IT-related investments. Moreover, with increased defense spending, defense and aerospace companies saw a surge in contracts, presenting opportunities for investors in this sector. As countries prioritize security, companies offering innovative solutions for defense and surveillance technologies found new avenues for growth. In the energy sector, renewable energy companies gained traction as countries sought alternatives to reduce dependence on oil. Investments in wind, solar, and other clean energy technologies became more attractive. Additionally, the manufacturing sector saw advancements in supply chain management and logistics. Companies that provided efficient and secure supply chain solutions found success in an evolving global market. In conclusion, the post-9/11 economy presented challenges and opportunities for various industries worldwide. It reshaped the global economic landscape and required adaptability and resilience. As we move forward, it's essential to remember the lessons learned and continue seeking opportunities for growth and innovation in an ever-changing world. Thanks for joining us on this journey today. We hope you found this exploration of the post-9/11 economy enlightening. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful discussions. Take care, and we'll catch you next time.